and welcome to my channel again and some more camera babble. Today I'm out here testing actually a rangefinder from East Germany. It's in Welta Belmira, in good German. You would obviously think I would put in some German film in it, but I actually didn't. I put an American in. I'm shooting Tri-X because of the amazing conditions. I think Tri-X would be my best shot. A little bit about this camera. See, my fingers are a bit cold, but that's how it is. It has a fantastic lens on it. At least I think so. I've had Tessar lenses from Jena, from Carl Zeiss before, and they've always been impeccable in their quality. And when I saw this camera had a Tessar lens, I immediately went and tried to get one. They're actually very cheap. I paid very little for this one. I can't actually remember how much I paid for it, but it's quite a good one. This. It's very pleasant to use. It's easy to use. The rangefinder is very dim, so I used an external rangefinder for a lot of the shots. But it actually works, and when you have good lighting conditions, you can actually use the inbuilt rangefinder. And I also love this little detail here. Well, it's cold. I'm gonna go home, gonna get the film up to a little bit more temperature, and then I'm gonna develop it in Atomal. I think I will use Adox Atomal.